That's right. I've got a cam snap infatuation, and let me show you why. I seem to be using it for clear vinyl projects. Easy and durable. A beginner alternative closure to zippers. This is a fun part. It's looking for a color that matches. I think I'm going to go with the red. Drop it in the comments below what you would pick out. You'll need one awl, cam, pliers, your snaps. You'll need 4 parts to your snap. You'll need 2 back caps. These are the ones that have the little prong, a socket, also known as a female, the stud. And you can tell these apart by the fact that the stud has a protruding bit on the top, while the female or the socket has a divot in the middle. So the way that these will go together will be like so. When you use the cam snap, it'll press down pokey bit, and that way it'll allow the stud to sit inside of the socket. So if you have a piece of fabric, you'll use your awl to poke the hole through your desired location. You'll have a back cap to go through. You'll set your socket on top that way. And then if you can just remember that this black part is smooth, and therefore the back cap sits on top of it because the back cap is smooth. Whereas these two, the socket and the stud, are going to sit inside of that white component. And then you just squeeze it. And as you can see, the little pointy part has gotten flat. Put the stud on. And then once again, you want the smooth back cap to sit on top of the black part. And then the white part goes onto the stud. And then squeeze. And again, you can see that the little pointy interior has been squashed. You'll have to give it a try to make sure that it's secured. Sometimes you have to press them one more time, like right there. So all you do is take it off, put it back on, and give it a harder squeeze.